As Albert Einstein once said, we cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them, and he was spot on. Problem-solving skills are crucial in every aspect of life, and the good news is, they can be honed. In this video, we'll explore 19 strategies to sharpen your problem-solving acumen. So, whether you're a seasoned problem solver or a novice, the Priority Problem Solvers YouTube channel has got you covered. Remember, anyone can improve their problem-solving abilities. Let's dive into these strategies. Strategy 1. Always define the problem clearly. It's like what Albert Einstein said, if I had an hour to solve a problem, I'd spend 55 minutes thinking about the problem and 5 minutes thinking about solutions. Clear definition is the first step towards resolution. Moving to strategy 2, break your problem down into smaller, manageable parts. Think of it as dismantling a complex machine, piece by piece, to understand how it works. Next, we have strategy 3, brainstorming. Don't be afraid to let your ideas flow freely. Remember, no idea is a bad idea during a brainstorming session. Strategy 4 is about thinking critically. It's about questioning assumptions, evaluating evidence, and making logical connections. As Sherlock Holmes said, it's a capital mistake to theorize before one has data. Lastly, strategy 5 encourages thinking creatively. Sometimes the most unconventional solutions are the most effective ones. These first 5 strategies lay the foundation for effective problem solving. Moving on to strategy 6, always seek outside perspective. Sometimes you're just too close to the problem to see the solution. That's why it's helpful to get a fresh pair of eyes to look at it. This can be a colleague, a mentor, or even a stranger. Strategy 7 is all about using logic. Logic is a powerful tool in problem solving. It helps you to break down the problem into manageable parts and find the most effective solution. As Albert Einstein once said, the mere formulation of a problem is far more often essential than its solution. Next, strategy 8 is thinking positively. A positive mindset can help you see opportunities where others see obstacles. Strategy 9 advises staying calm. Panic will only cloud your judgment and prevent you from seeing the solution. And finally, strategy 10 is practicing patience. Remember, problem solving is often a process, not an immediate solution. Patience allows you to stay focused and persistent until the problem is solved. Strategy 11. Never shy away from asking for help. Remember, 2 heads are often better than 1. When you're stuck, don't hesitate to seek assistance. Strategy 12 is to utilize technology. Apps, software, and online tools can simplify complex problems and help you find innovative solutions. Strategy 13 hones in on learning from past experiences. As the famous problem solver Albert Einstein said, the only source of knowledge is experience. So, reflect on your past, identify your mistakes and successes, and use them as your guide. Strategy 14 is about adapting your strategies. If one approach isn't working, try another. Flexibility is a critical skill in problem solving. Lastly, strategy 15, be persistent. Thomas Edison, the renowned inventor, once said, "Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time." Adapting and persisting are key to successful problem solving. Now let's move on to the last 4 strategies. Strategy 16, always keep an open mind. The world is full of possibilities, and solutions often come from the most unexpected places. Embrace unconventional thinking and you'll be surprised at how many doors open for you. Moving on to strategy 17, never stop learning. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to tackle any problem that comes your way. So make it a habit to learn something new every day. Next up, strategy 18 emphasizes the importance of a systematic approach. Break down complex problems into manageable parts. It's like eating an elephant, you do it one bite at a time. A well-structured approach can bring clarity and make the problem less daunting. And finally, strategy 19, maintain a sense of humor. Problems can be stressful, but a good laugh can lighten the mood, boost your morale, and even spark creativity. So don't forget to laugh a little, even in the face of adversity. In summary, effective problem solving is a mix of an open mind, continuous learning, systematic approaches, and a dash of humor. Each strategy is a tool in your toolbox, and the more tools you have, the more problems you can solve. Remember, as Thomas Edison once said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Stay persistent and keep improving your problem-solving skills. Thank you for joining us on the Priority Problem Solvers YouTube channel.